Hi everyone! Ahojte! Today in Linguarte, we are going to learn how to ask and give directions in Slovak language. In addition, we will teach you some useful vocabulary for directions. If you like our videos and want to support our channel, make sure you click subscribe and turn on bell notification. Also, check our website and follow us on our social media, where you can see more interesting information about the Slovak language and our unique way to teach Slovak. Don't miss our courses. You can find a link in the description where you can download a document with these lessons and practices. Let's start. Začíname. In order to ask for directions in Slovak language, we have these possibilities. Excuse me, how do I get to the castle? Prepáčte, ako sa dostanem do hradu? Also, you could ask, excuse me, where is the bus station? Prepáčte, kde je autobusová stanica? Another question would be, could you please tell me the way to the hotel? Mohli by ste mi, prosím, povedať cestu do hotela? To give directions in Slovak language, we use the imperative forms. If you want to know all the forms of imperative in Slovak language, check out this video where we explain it in details. For the purpose of giving directions, we can say the imperative form is created from the third person of the present tense. To this form, we drop the last letter or the last two letters. In this way, we will make you singular form. Then, from čítať, to read, the present čítajú, they read, and from that we have čítaj, read. From hrať, play, the present hrajú, they play, and from that hraj, play. From hovoriť, speak, the present hovoria, they speak, and from that hovor, speak. If you want to create a plural you form used for respect or for a group of people, we add to the singular imperative form the particle te. Then čítaj, read, čítajte, you read. Hraj, play. Hrajte, you play. Hovor, speak. Hovorte, you speak. Then for giving directions, we would use go straight, choď or choďte rovno. Continue straight. Pokračuj or pokračujte rovno. Turn right. Odboč or odbočte doprava. Turn left. Odboč or odbočte doľava. Cross the street. Prejdi cez cestu. Prejdite cez cestu. Go up. Choď or choďte hore. Go down. Choď or choďte dole. It's next to je to vedľa. It's in front of. Je to pred. There it is. Tam to je. It's close. Je to blízko. It's far. Je to ďaleko. There are also some useful words for direction within the city, just like traffic lights in Slovak, semafor, street, ulica, roundabout, kruhový objazd, crossroad, križovatka, zebra crossing, prechod prechodcov. Take a look at these examples. Excuse me, could you please tell me the way to the museum? Prepáčte, mohli by ste mi, prosím, povedať cestu do múzea? Yes, go straight one street and turn right. There is the museum. Áno, choďte rovno jednu ulicu a odbočte doprava. Tam je múzeum. Another example. Pardon, I'm lost. Where is the city center? Pardon, som stratený. Kde je centrum mesta? The city center is close. Go up 200 meters and cross the street. The city center is in front of the hotel. Centrum mesta je blízko. Choďte hore 200 metrov a prejdite cez ulicu. Centrum mesta je pred hotelom. Now it is your turn to practice. Try to say the following directions looking at this map. Pause the video when replying so you would have enough time to reply. Som tu. I am here. How do I get to the university? Ako sa dostanem do univerzity? Go straight and cross the street. There it is, the university. Choď rovno a prejdi cez cestu. Tam je univerzita. I'm here. Could you please tell me the way to the cinema? Prepáčte, mohli by ste mi, prosím, povedať cestu do kina? Go straight, then turn left, go straight to street and turn right. Go straight 100 meters. There is the cinema. Choďte rovno, potom odbočte doľava. Choďte rovno 2 ulice a odbočte doprava. Choďte rovno 100 metrov. Tam je kino. Very well done. We hope you liked the lesson. Let us know in the comments what other phrases you would like to study. If you're interested in learning Slovak language in a modern way, visit our website to learn more about our courses. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.